Hello friends and welcome in this another episode of DIY Master, and in this video we are going to learn how to open this sort of hub motor. You see there is a small problem in this motor. As we check this motor's Hall sensor with the help of this Hall sensor testing machine, so you can see that there is only two Hall sensor is uh, indicating the correct position, and the third one, which is blue, is not functioning actually. So that's the reason why we need to open this hub motor and need to rectify whether the problem is of hall sensor or it's about the wiring. So let's open this motor first, and then we will see what to do. So we have detached this e-bike testing device, and now you can see there is a Allen key sort of nut bolt around 8. We will open these nut one by one and remove this cover so that we can have direct approach to Hall sensor. Let's open this. So guys, we have removed all the Allen key type bolts. Now for removing this cover we need at least two screwdriver with moderate strength like this one, and something like this one. And now just put this screwdriver between the collar of rim and the cover, and you can able to hear there is a sound of opening. Now carefully we need to remove this. How? So this is how our cover gets removed from the assembly, and you can see there is a traces of oil. Maybe that's the reason why the Hall sensor stopped working. So let's check once more. So guys, finally after replacing that blue line Hall sensor, the motor is working fine. As you can see, as we give little throttle to the controller, the motor will run. And since we temporarily fixed this cover, that's the reason why it has a little jerk. So let's complete that motor and finish this work. So guys, this is how we can change the Hall sensor of any BLDC motor, and you can see the motor is now working fine. Accelerator. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching us. Goodbye.